You see, it started with a dream that I had, then it put me in the ladder, spark a path to a new religion. Who would've thought that chubby kid with a gap would've got up off his ass and cut the lag? Now that's true progression. See it so ironically, honestly, tried to front, but y'all done sat right in front of me. You the ones that thought I never would've made it, bitch. Certain I'ma make it rich, steady bluffing, cut the discussion. You offer something, well I guess I'll entertain the shit. But I said the shit's alright now. Bitch, they got them cringing, better dip on sight now. There's really no one that fell down in the gutter. We on it, man, just me and my brothers. We finna work until we go and cut the lights out. Tell me, do you feel me? Hear me? Tell me, do you really wanna give it up for the haters? Like I ain't really trying to bargain. If we talking to paper, if you ain't grinding for the cause, you later. Do me the favor, like I said I'm rising to the top. You'd have thought I'd turn this shit into a lifestyle. You want, you can't stop me now. Yo, I said I'm rising to the top. You can't win, we finna change it for the right now. Yeah, we love it. Yeah, we love it. Yo, I said I'm rising to the top. You'd have thought I'd turn this shit into a lifestyle. You want, you